Let's see what we can do with these bad boys. These old wore out taillights. I've seen some tricks using upol number 9, the blend spray, on doing the headlights. We're gonna try it on the taillights. This one off. Gonna leave that one on, work on this one, and see how it turns out. I'm gonna sand it off with like 3000 grit. On the other YouTube video I watched for the headlights, they just sprayed it on. But I think I'm gonna go a step further and clean them and real fine sanding, and then spray it on, and we'll bring it back and see what it looks like. All right, the wife's gone, so I'm going to use the bathtub here. Starting off with a 220 grit sandpaper with some soap and water. Just trying to knock down the dirt and high spots. This is a 3000 grit foam pad. Again, not trying to sand tons off of it, just clean it up a little. Now we've got the sanding done, we're just gonna finish cleaning it up a little. Here in a second, I run some water in it. There's a lot of dust and debris inside of it. So I just run some water in, shake it around to knock all that loose, get it all out of there. Try to clean it up as best I can before we get to spraying the upol. All right, let's let this dry. Then we'll lay the upol on her. All right, here we go. Upol number 9 blend. Shake it up pretty good. I've got it all dried off and ready. See what she does. Maybe horrible, I don't know. Oh my. Wow. Wow. Did you see that? Wow, wow, wow. We're gonna let it dry and see how it turns out. That is, if that stays anything close to that, that is unreal how good that works. Wow. We'll check her out in a minute. This is absolutely unreal. Check this out. It looks like and that's dry. It looks like a new lens. Just to give you a little before and after. Look at this. Look at this. Check that out. It's unreal. And that was just with a little 3000 grit, that's insane. 3000 grit sponge to just, you know, heat it a little bit and then just spray the upol number 9 right on top of it. And I mean, it looks like a brand new lens. It is insane how good it works. So highly recommend. If you've got some of this, or don't, it's 16 bucks. Something like that off of eBay. Check that out. Like it's crazy. It takes 2 minutes to do, knock it down, clean it down, spray the upol on it. It's a new lens. It's insane. So there's your cool average bow tip.